This is my dinner tonight. Today, for dinner, I made a shepherd's pie. I've made it before, but because I made it again, I thought I'll capture the recipe. Since I love you all so much, and whenever I have a recipe, you also ask for it every time, so I captured it again. I'm sorry, but it's perfect. Although I've made it. And one thing I have loved about you guys commenting is no matter what I share, whether it's my lunch, dinner, dance, lifestyle, my craziness, whatever, that I've always shared recipes that you all have loved. And that is something I will maintain. Try it and let me know how you like it. Heat a pan and add some olive oil. Add one chopped onion. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Add 200 grams of chopped carrots. Now cook this for a little while. On the side, boil 1.5 kilos of potatoes. Just add 1 teaspoon of salt in the water. I'm adding 1 kilo of minced meat. This is goat keema, that is mutton keema. It would be better if you use lamb, or you can use any minced meat of your choice. Now add some salt to taste and some pepper powder. Then keep cooking. At this stage, I'm using some herbs. I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of rosemary and 1.5 teaspoons of some thyme. Again, give it a good mix. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 2 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. Add a cup of tomato puree. Now keep cooking till the gravy reduces a little bit. Now the sauce is thickening. I'm adding 200 grams of peas. Now if you like it to be a little more tangy, I add a little Tabasco. Now this is up to you. The meat sauce is almost done. Now I'm going to make the mashed potatoes. I've taken 1.5 kilos of potato, boiled it with a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter, salt to taste, pepper powder according to how much ever you want, about a cup of cheddar cheese, half a cup of room temperature milk, and 1 egg. Now mash this all really well. Add your meat to the baking dish. Now add your mashed potato. Now just flatten out the potato on top. The potato is flattened. Now just do this with your fork. This actually makes the top more crispy. I've put it in the oven, which was preheated. Put it on 200 degrees. Put it on bake and put it for 30 minutes. Okay, so here is the shepherd's pie. What is your dinner?